everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. I'm coming by today with a demo for Craspire. This is the handle they kindly sent me with one of the stamping brass stamps. This one is paw prints. I love it. This is just Primo. Yeah, I don't even know what it's called. Purple something pearl. I don't know. Really not gonna use much of this. Or any of it. Since I couldn't find my cutting blade, which was, like my mother always said, like a snake, it would have bit me. Alright, let's see. I'm really not going to use much of this, maybe half a bar. I don't know what it's called. 12 years of working with polymer clay, you'd think I might know. Half a bar. Yes, all of my polymer clay is just about this old. Okay, there, that's a better impression. Alright. Okay, I've got the second oval cutter out of my set of oval cutters. This one is the, looks like 1.5. Alright. I'm sorry, one of the tips I could give right now, anytime you're using your cutter and your clay gets stuck in there, use a paintbrush to push out the clay. No fingerprints. Now, if it's really stuck, you might get a little brush imprint. Okay. This will be so cute. I'm gonna, First of all, this is just the bottom of a can. I'm believing it's one of the big cans. I don't even know what size. Might put a couple of holes first. Sorry, I don't know why I'm so quiet today. Alright. Now, because this clay is absolutely ancient, I am not even sure whether they still make the purple pearl. I don't know what it's called. As you can see, the label is almost gone. So I'm not sure they still make this particular clay. Sorry, I don't like that. I don't like that where the cutter overlaps on the cutting edge. Sometimes you'll get a doubling where it doubles. There we go. Now that did not eliminate it completely, but just a little sanding afterwards should correct it. Alright. Don't know why I'm even wasting my time putting it on here, but normally the clay would adhere to the can lid just because polymer clay does that. Now I realize the form probably 30 to 45 minutes. I'll be back. Okay, here it is out of the oven. I love how that kind of blue interference-y kind of color really comes out after it's baked. This is just a disposable pot. I'm going to put a little bit of UV resin, and I mean a little bit. One of the things that I do have is this is a UV resin brush. It's just a paintbrush. It's been used for UV resin from the beginning. I just wrap foil around it and keep using it. I'm gonna put very little. This is the Christy Friesen's Pixie Dust, which is a holographic, super microfine, and seriously, just a little bit. I don't want it to really glitter the UV resin. I just want it to have a kiss of glitter. Oh, that actually may be too much, but we're gonna go with it. Alright, let me put the cap back on the glitter. Okay. Yes, I know I should have my gloves on. Do I? No. Please, always wear your gloves and protective gear. Okay, I'm going to put this under my UV light. I'm going to put it under, this is the Lamino. I love Lamino. So this one I will put under my LED nail light, because it does cure under the LED nail light. Okay, here it is, out from under the lamp. I just added a few polymer clay cylinder bead segments and a toggle clasp. Sorry. This one is a little heart and an arrow. Isn't that cute? Alright, there it is. Although that little puppy dog print, or kitty print, however you want to see it. It's really cute. Alright, there's another little bracelet. It'd be really cute to wear. Perfect for summer. Alright, thank you so much to Craspire once again for sending me these lovely products to review. I'm so sorry it took so long. My sincerest apology. The links will be listed below to everything. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye for now.